So this wasn't quite the glossy teriyaki chicken I imagined, but it was a good meal after all, and a great reminder that sometimes real life cooking doesn't come with a glaze. Let's make sheet pan teriyaki chicken with Brussels sprouts. The honest version, flavor with a little sauce, a lot of learning, and a tray full of good intentions. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. I started with 8 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. After trim and pat dry, I cut 2 shallow slits across the skin side. That helps the marinade sink in and the fat render out. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Then drizzle olive oil and massage it all in. Next, I added the Bachan brand name, I might have butchered the brand name, Japanese barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons as marinade. It's got that teriyaki flavor, and I hope it would caramelize in the oven. Let it all marinate for at least an hour, longer if you have time. Prep the Brussels sprouts. On a large sheet pan, I tossed halved Brussels sprouts with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and olive oil. Normally, I'd pan saute these to keep that bright green color, but I was committed to the oven life tonight. Once seasoned, nestle the chicken thighs on the tray and scatter the Brussels all around. Time to bake. I baked everything at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which in hindsight might have been a little too gentle for the sauce to glaze. After 45 minutes, I checked the temperature. 165 to 170 degree Fahrenheit is your finish line. And just to add a little texture and color, I hit broil for 5 minutes at the end. Did it help with the glaze? A little. Did it crisp the chicken? Definitely. To finish, I sprinkled with chopped green onions and drizzled a touch of more of the Bachan sauce over the top. Served with a bowl of steamed rice, a juicy chicken thigh, and a scoop of roasted Brussels, and a tiny bowl of extra sauce on the side, because flavor is still the goal, even when the technique isn't perfect. Note to self: next time, I'd probably cook teriyaki chicken on the stovetop to give the sauce a chance to shine. Sheet pans are easy, but they're not the miracle workers, especially with sugar-based glazes. And the Brussels sprouts, still tasty, but I miss that vibrant green from a hot sauté pan. Live, cook, and learn. That's what kitchens and stories are for. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders and perfection is optional. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.